During our stay in Lisbon, we thought it would be a pretty good idea to leave the city for a day and do a little day trip and explore somewhere different, with a much different kind of environment. And we got just that when we explored Cascais. How we feeling?
Stretch. Seagulls going crazy. It's cool. It's a vibe, bro.
It'd be really nice if I had a sailboat coming through here. I don't think that's gonna happen.
You eat? Yeah, nice. Yeah, maybe we eat when we go in.
The best octopus in the country is over there.
Oh wow. In Cascais, okay.
Water.
Thank you, gentlemen, for your work.
Obrigado. Huh? Can you come out? Can I? How far? Oh, I don't know. Should I? No, 5 minutes. 5 minutes? No, it's okay. Thank you, though. Obrigado.
Let me get a photo of you guys. Okay, I guess I'll just jump in the water.
Bye-bye.
Dude, what's some legends, man? People here are so friendly.
It's so different. Imagine we didn't come here. What the fuck? Bro, I just got like, oh my god.
Would you call this street photography?
Just photography.
Yeah. But you can bring your street.
I feel like I'm using
Methods
the
here.
same exact skills that I would use. I'm using the same exact like technique that I would use in New York or Lisbon, right? Just at a beach or a beach town, you know? I mean, I feel like it doesn't. I think it's all semantics. At the end of the day, like, you can pretty much call anything.
Yeah.
Street, not street, you know? And even some of the landscapes that I'll shoot, like I try to add people, and then the question is like, does that count as street? Because there's like a person there. It's like, not really, but maybe, you know?
Right.
It's candid. So, I don't think it matters.
Doesn't.
What is his name? Name? No.
No name?
Como é que ele chama? Elvis.
Elvis.
Yeah.
The no diving sign is so sick. I would love to get people diving with it. One more time.
Yeah, because it was like side.
His thought it was ass. I gotta do it again.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna get out of here, bro. No, I already look. I fell off this railing. I'm good. I'm done.
Thanks again to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Photography is oftentimes consumed on social media apps, but there's something so much more powerful about having your own curated online portfolio in the form of a website. Yeah, that thing, the thing you've been holding off for so long. The good thing though is that Squarespace makes it really easy to get started without the need of any website design knowledge. Personally, I've been a long-time user of Squarespace, long before I even had a YouTube channel. And for me, it's become a one-stop shop for my favorite works, blogs, and digital store. You can get started yourself with a free trial by visiting squarespace.com/Faisal and use the code Faisal to get 10% off your first purchase.